Okay, let me just explain to you what's going on and why I am on do or die watch. I can't say the word. I ain't trying to get demonetized. Nah, me, I want to at least make some cash flow off my suffering. But I'm on do or die watch because this. Now, quick backstory. So, the day I installed my Unit 2 oil pan, I've been leaking oil like bad from my oil pan. So I'm like, God damn, let me just try to fix it, right? Let me just take off the oil pan, clean it up, re-silicone it, you know, do it right. This is the third day of me chasing leaks. So I wasn't recording for the past 2 days because I right now am going through it. This is Zosh going through it. I know it's a car, and I know I never stress about things. I never stress about cars. You're not supposed to. It's materialistic items. But bro, when I tell you, when it comes to small stuff, I'm losing my mind. If you guys know the difference in bolts, that's because this one, right, walked off. Like, I was leaking fluid in my runners. It's a little wet still, but you can see it right there too. This bolt was here, and this bolt was somewhere around here, I don't know. But I had two of the matching Allen head bolts. One came loose. And I only discovered that because I popped the bonnet to see what was going on with my car. Then when I look down, I see oil leaking. I'm like, what? Okay. Bro. This is the third time this happened. Well, second time. Randy came over 2 days ago to help me redo the oil pan because his don't leak. So I'm like, all right, I have Randy do it. So Randy gets here, he installs the oil pan. He's like, bro, it might leak. I'm like, nah, bro, I got faith. It's not gonna leak.
Yeah, alright.
Yesterday was Father's Day. Happy belated Father's Day. I go to take this car to Randy's family's beach thing that they had going on. And guess what? It's pissing oil. A lot. More than it did before. Like, before I had drops. Like, it was drops here and there. This thing literally pisses. It literally pisses oil. So I dropped the oil pan yesterday and proceeded to redo it. Took me a total of 4 hours to clean all the silicone, clean everything, make sure it wasn't leaking around when I put the oil pan up, make sure it was, like, there's no oil on the surface of the block. I ended up snapping a bolt, and two ended up being stripped, as in, like, they just spin. And I am like, okay, this. I am going to off myself because this is some bullshit. So, for the past 2.5, 3 days, I've been on do or die watch. Like, not really do or die watch, but like, I've been contemplating selling this piece of shit.
Oh, well, of course it's gonna leak because you probably not siliconing it right, or you didn't put it in torque sequence properly. Oh, of course the bolt broke because you used the power.
Shut your ass. Don't you think I know this? And I did put a torque to spec properly. I did that right. I put enough silicone gas, and I used real silicone. I used Honda Bond, bruh. The real deal. Oh, you should have put enough. I put enough.
This not my first rodeo?
This not my first rodeo. I know what I'm doing. Well, apparently not, cause it's like you right. You right. You win. You win, bro. You win. Yes, you. You are a winner. Don't be like me. I am a loser, bro. Don't be like me.
I'm trash.
You're better than that. You. Yes, you, nigga. You better than me. Must be nice. We all go through things. You know what I mean? Like, this happens to all of us. You know, we all have dumbass issues with our car, and you just want to sell it. This, right now, is one of those I, Percy, do not want to keep dealing with the dog. I am bro, tomorrow was supposed to be Buddy Club Day. I get my springs in the mail, I get my V-band in the mail, and I was supposed to take this car to go get the Buddy Club Spec 2 exhaust put on. But guess what I'm doing tomorrow instead? I am taking it to the homie Sean's shop so it can be done. Who is Sean, you ask? You know who the homie Chris Moo is. He does all of his work. Well, I wouldn't say all, but like he does most of his work. And Sean's the homie, man. He always does valve adjustments on my car. So I should not leak no more oil after tomorrow. I don't know where this oil, I don't understand how it's still, I don't know. And if you in the comments right now are writing something like, oh, Zosh, you just shut your ass up. You don't know, all right? Shut your, oh, you can't tell me that, bro. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not. No, 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 no. Shut your ass close. As you guys can see, I am not in the greatest of moods right now, and I know there's gonna be hate with this. That's what happens, you know. These niggas preyed on my downfall. I get it. I know I'm not the best at things. I'm not a mechanic. I never once said I wanted to be a mechanic. I just somehow managed to make all of this possible. I don't know how I did it. I just did it. But when it comes, bro, how can I install this? I put all this together. All of this was put together by me. Me! And I cannot install an oil pan? An oil pan. Shit. Look at all the oil, bro. Look at it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. I have to drive this car tomorrow 20 minutes with an oil leak. I'm so scared, bro. This is not it, brother. Do y'all see all that oil, bro? The car was running for like 12 seconds and I lost half a quart of oil. Driving 20 minutes, I'm gonna blow this bitch up. This bitch is gonna blow up. This bitch is gonna blow up. And whose fault is it? Mine. Cause I can't install an oil pan properly. This is some bullshit, dog. I'm so tempted right now to try to fix it again. I'm so tempted. But, I don't know, bruh. I'm gonna try and fix it. It is what it is. Yup. Hey, it's gonna get fuzzy again because it was too cold inside the house. So I'm gonna have to keep doing this. Yep. Can this day get any better? Oh, look at this beautiful slow motion. Yeah, what you're watching is me explaining to you exactly what happened. So I figured out why my oil was leaking. I sent a bolt so far up the timing cover, it created a hole inside the timing cover. That's why it was leaking oil profusely. College word. Not really. You probably learned that in 6th grade. Public education, bro. We grew up different. Oh, no, we didn't. What? So yes, I had to buy a whole new timing cover. So I hit up the homie trying to see if he had a K24 timing cover laying around because mine was completely destroyed because I ended up cracking it because I forgot that there's a 10mm bolt above the BTC KM little Provit. I don't know. So I was trying to pry off. Yes, you heard me right. Try to pry off a timing chain cover when you don't never need to pry off. Unless it's like a hella silicone and it's stuck for like years, but even if I'm mad already. So yeah, that's what you're watching. Me basically snap on myself of these. I'm so stupid. I am retarded. Do not be like me. I am incapable of doing the simplest things. Why am I alive? Why? Like, is this a joke? Am I a joke? Y'all think I'm joking. I'm dead serious. Unless you don't want me to be. Then I'm not. So, in case you're lost with what I just said about everything, you shouldn't be lost. I think I explained everything properly. If I didn't, I hope I fix my car tomorrow. Well, today. Today is Tuesday. I was supposed to upload this video Monday night, but I got home late. And now here I am at 1:47 in the morning on a Tuesday, which you're watching this probably mid-afternoon, or maybe nighttime, or whenever you feel like watching a Zosh video. I know It may seem like I was tripping over nothing. I know, as I'm editing this, I'm like, bro, I can't help it. I am who I am, okay? I go through mentally frustrating things on a daily. I suffer from so many things that you guys will probably tell me to do cocaine or something. I don't know what's wrong with me. If I'm ever blessed enough to have kids and they watch these YouTube videos and see their dad be like this, to my daughter and son, what? Okay, that makes sense. Daddy gonna be okay. I hope. I don't know. You guys want to know something that's new and exciting to my life? I bought this electric toothbrush. That's it.